Welcome to Listen Up, the podcast where we dive into the world of English listening practice. I'm your host, Karen, and we explore new topics every day to help you sharpen your English skills. Whether you're looking to polish your fluency or intermediate and want to learn new vocabulary, this podcast is your gateway to understanding and speaking English with confidence. We cover a wide range of subjects to keep you engaged and entertained while learning. My episodes are designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations. And I also offer personalized lessons tailored to your unique learning style and goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your English listening skills. Visit onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for personalized lessons. Let's jump right in. Today's episode is called Preserving Tradition. In a world that is constantly evolving, where technology often dictates our daily lives, there remains a poignant and heartwarming thread that connects us to our past. The tradition of passing down family recipes. These culinary heirlooms are more than just instructions for preparing food. They are repositories of memories, culture, and love that transcends time and space. Family recipes are not just about the ingredients or the cooking process. They are steeped in the stories of those who created and cherished them. Imagine a grandmother's handwritten recipe card for her famous apple pie, stained with years of use and love. Each time that pie is baked, it's not just a dessert being made. It's a ritual that brings to life the grandmother's spirit and the moments spent in her kitchen. The aroma wafting through the house serves as a bridge to the past, evoking vivid memories of childhood and family gatherings. Food is a vital part of cultural identity, and family recipes are a means of preserving and celebrating this heritage. For immigrant families, these recipes can be a lifeline to their homeland, a way to stay connected to their roots. Preparing traditional dishes can teach younger generations about their ancestry and the customs that shape their family history. Consider the Italian family who gathers every Sunday to make pasta from scratch, just as their ancestors did in a small village in Tuscany. Or the Mexican family who lovingly prepares tamales together during the holiday season, a tradition that has been passed down for centuries. These culinary practices are not merely about food, they are acts of cultural preservation and pride. Cooking and sharing meals together is a powerful way to strengthen family bonds. In a time when busy schedules often keep family members apart, coming together to cook a cherished family recipe can provide a much-needed opportunity for connection. It's in these moments of collaboration, rolling out dough, stirring a pot, seasoning to taste, that stories are shared, wisdom is imparted, and relationships are deepened. For instance, a mother teaching her child how to perfect the family's secret sauce recipe is not only passing on culinary skills, but also instilling values of patience, precision, and love. These processes of learning and teaching fosters a sense of continuity and belonging that can profoundly reassure an ever-changing world. While the essence of family recipes remains timeless, modern technology offers new ways to preserve and share these treasures. Digital platforms allow families to create virtual cookbooks, complete with photos, videos, and personal anecdotes. Social media can also serve as a space for families to celebrate their culinary heritage, sharing recipes with a wider community and perhaps even starting new traditions. For example, a family might create a private Facebook group where members upload videos of themselves cooking traditional dishes, providing a virtual kitchen where relatives near and far can cook together. Similarly, apps dedicated to recipe storage and sharing can help ensure that those beloved recipes are never lost. even as they evolve with each new generation's contributions. At the heart of every family recipe is love. The love of the person who first created it, the love embedded in every ingredient, and the love that is rekindled every time it is made. The legacy of love is what makes passing down family recipes such a treasured tradition. It's a way of saying, I was here, this is who we are, this is what we share. In the end, preserving family recipes is about more than just food. It's about keeping alive the essence of those who came before us and ensuring that their spirit continues to nourish us. It's about the joy of discovery and the comfort of familiarity. It's about remembering where we came from and celebrating who we are. So the next time you pull out a beloved family recipe, take a moment to appreciate the stories and the people behind it. In doing so, you're not just preparing a meal, you're preserving a tradition, one delicious bite at a time. If you want to see my family recipe passed down from my grandma, head to the written article linked in the description. And that wraps up today's enriching journey with Listen Up English Listening Practice. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the nuances of English, and I hope you found our time together both educational and enjoyable. Remember, every episode is a step forward in your English mastery, so keep practicing and stay curious. Share with your friends and leave a comment. Be part of our growing family by connecting with fellow learners on our social platforms. Join me on my website to interact with other learners and let me know what other topics you would like to hear about. And if you're looking for a more personalized touch, head over to onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for bespoke lessons with me, Karen. Thank you for choosing to learn with me. Until our next session, keep your ears open and your mind active. Farewell and happy English learning.